welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's start today's class with a quote. What we learn with pleasure, we never forget, by Alfred. So let's see the sixth problem. Write the following cubes in expanded form. Here in the first bit we have 2x plus 1 whole cube, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity we have. Clear? So, what is there in the place of a? 2x. What is there in the place of b? 1. So, let us substitute. 2x plus 1 whole cube equal to 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. Clear? Now, 2x whole cube means 2 cube x cube. 2 cube value is 8. 8x cube plus 1 cube value is 1. 1 to the power of any natural number will give 1 only. Plus 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6x into 2x plus 1. That we can write it as 2x, 8x cube plus 1. Here if we simplify this binomial with this monomial, 6x into 2x, 12 x square, 6x into 1 plus 6x. Right? Now if I write in standard form, 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1 is the expansion of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Yes? Right. Let's see the second bit. 2a minus 3b whole cube expansion we have to find. For that, it is in which form? A minus b whole cube form, which we can write it as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity we have in terms of a and b. Clear? Here also in question also we have in terms of a and b. Don't get confused. Here a is equals to, what is there in the place of a? 2a. What is there in the place of b? 3b. Here also minus, here also minus. So, I am not taking b equal to minus 3b. So, we can take 3b as it is there in the identity. Now, a and b values substitute in the identities. Identity. 2a minus 3b whole cube equal to 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a, here it is minus 3b. Clear? 2 cube, 2a whole cube means 2 cube a cube. 2 cube value is 8. 8 a cube minus 3 cube value is 27. 3 cube means 3 times we have to multiply the base. Here 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 b cube minus 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 3, 18, right? 18 ab into 2a minus 3b. Clear? Now, if I simplify more, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 into 2, 36 a. Here one is a is there, here ab is there. That means a 2 times b. Minus into minus plus 18 into 3 plus 54 a Here b is b into b square. Clear? This is the expansion of 2a minus 3b whole cube. Let's see third bit, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Clear? We know the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Yes or no? Yes. To do all these problems, we should be perfect with all these algebraic identities which are given in the textbook. Clear? Now, in the place of a, we have 3 by 2 x. In the place of b, we have 1. Clear? Now, substitute in the identity. 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube equal to 3 by 2 x whole cube. A cube means a value here 3 by 2 x, right? So, b cube means 1 cube plus 3 into a is 3 by 2 x into b is 1 into a again 3 by 2 x plus 1. Clear? Now 3 by 2 whole cube means 3 cube by 2 cube. 3 cube means 27 by 2 cube means 8 x cube. While simplifying, we should be very careful. Clear? 1 cube value is 1. 3 into 3, 9 plus 9 by 2 x into 3 by 2 x plus 1. Clear? So, first two terms as it is plus 1 plus, if I multiply the 9 by 2x into this whole binomial, 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x, 27 by 4, 9 into 3, 27, 2 into 2, 4, x into x, x square. Again 9 by 2x into 1 means 9 by 2x only will get 9 by 2x. So if we write in standard form, 27 by 8 x cube plus next x square term, 27 by 4 x square, next x term, 9 by 2x plus 1 is the expansion of 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube. Clear? Right. Let's see the fourth bit, which is in the form of a minus b whole cube, which can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Clear? Now what is there in the place of a? X. What is there in the place of b? In the place of b we have 2 by 3 y. Clear? Now substitute a and b values in the identity. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube equal to x cube plus, here minus, right, minus 2 by 3 y whole cube minus 3 into x into 2 by 3 y into x minus 2 by 3 y. Clear? Now x cube is x cube minus 2 by 3 y whole cube, 2 cube by 3 cube, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, y cube minus 3 will get cancelled, 2xy will remain, 2xy into x minus 2 by 3 y. Clear? Now x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus, here if we multiply 2xy with x, 2 x square y minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, 4 x y into y, y square by 3. Right? This is the expansion of x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Clear? Right. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.